Welcome to another episode of HVAC Tips with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Today I'm going to be talking about hot water. How do you get your hot water in your house and what type of machines are there that make it? So there's three primary types of ways that your hot water is going to be made in Edmonton, Alberta and most parts of North America. And that is a regular water tank where natural gas comes on, it heats that water inside of that tank. The tank is built like a thermos, so it holds that heat in there. And when you release the hot water out of your taps, cold water goes into the bottom, hot water comes out of the top, and that's how you get hot water. Second type of system out there is really similar to that, but it has a motor on top of it. And these are called power vent water tanks. And they really work in a very, very similar manner, but the power vent water tanks have a motor fan on top, and they forcibly remove that exhaust from the top of the tank. So it's got a little blower in there, and it has plastic pipes on top, and it shoots that air outside. A little bit more complicated, and really not necessary unless you're building a new house with certain code requirements or there's other things at play. The third type is called an OnDemand, also known as a tankless heating system. Those are the most efficient systems, almost 100% efficiency if you can believe that, and those will give you water forever. They'll never run out, which is fabulous. But those types of water heating systems, about 2 to 3 times the cost normally of a regular water tank system, and they do not pay for themselves. It's a common misconception that they're so efficient that they'll pay for themselves. Definitely not the case. A great environmental choice for reducing your impact and using less gas, there's no doubt about it, and you'll never run out of hot water. Those are two really big things that make them really attractive, but the most popular still, and they're really efficient compared to what they were 20 years ago, is that regular standard hot water tank. I'm Kevin, Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning.